Hello, Goodison Gamer here and welcome to Firetrack on the Commodore 64. This is a vertical scrolling shoot 'em up from 1987. This game came out the same year on BBC Micro as well, and I don't know which version came out first. But never mind. Let's try out the game, shall we? It's 8,000 points is the high score. I should try to beat it if it's possible. Let's find out. So here we go, it's auto firing here. So I just control the ship, up, down, left to right. So it's cool, looks nice actually. So I take out both attacking ships as well as the ground objects. And it gives me points. So I should try to not be killed off here. So I'm up to 8,300 now, so I have beat that high score. It was pretty easy. Nice music in the background. Not the best I ever heard on the Commodore 64, but it's a decent tune actually. Nice colorful graphics. I like the backgrounds actually. And you can see the enemy firing, so you can avoid it. Not like that obnoxious game Sevious on Commodore 64 with blurry backgrounds and shitty, sketchy hit detection and crappy gameplay. This is very responsive and nice, clear. You can see what you're doing. The difficulty is spot on actually. Not that brutally tough, like many shoot 'em ups are on the get-go. So that was the first level, I think. I am up to 25,000 points here. Shit. I think I better avoid these enemies here. So there are no... Shit. Fuck, that was near. Oh no, shit, I lost a life there. Oh no, shit, what a sloppy maneuver. Shit, oof, it was close again. Can I reach 30,000? Wow, it's a very cool game actually, very enjoyable, very addictive. I'm liking it. So this is my last life, I think. I think I have 3 lives. Yeah, 36,000 points I'm up to. Shit, that was close. Oof. Come on, don't attack me in the back, please. Should try to cruise through here. Shit. So there are no power-up system here. This is pretty unique actually. I think if you kill everything in one... Like, shit. It was game over then. 43,170 points. I'm gonna give it one more test, one more go. I think if you kill everything in one round, so to speak, it gives you extra points or something like that. It's not called round, it's called something wave, I think. Everything in one wave. Shit. Wait a second. Did I start from a checkpoint now? I think so. That was cool. Shit. I'm not very clear what's happening now, but never mind. This is just a test of this game. This is a cheat version, I don't know, but never mind. I'm not so picky. I just want to try out the game, how it is actually. So, it's very nice. So if there is any viewers who knows about this game, exactly what is happening now, please explain to me and my viewers, so we can get some clarity. It would be really helpful, because I'm not a professional. I just play the games actually, and I will try to encourage my viewers to try them out as well. There, it was a sound. I think that means that I got some extra points. I just play the games actually and try to inspire my viewers to try them out and try to do it better than me actually, because I'm just a casual gamer and I'm liking it the way it is. Always fun to experience old school games that I've never heard about, and perhaps some old school gamers have not heard about as well. It's a mutual relation in that respect. Shit. So I'm up to 56,000 points now. So that was the first level once again. I think, I don't know exactly know what the fuck is happening, but yeah, this is new colors. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm pretty confused exactly what is happening. Perhaps I was never game over. I was completely confused. Ah, shit. What is that? So it's a little bit, I mean, repetitive. It seems like it's pretty the same loop, but it's changed colors perhaps. But it's getting to be more faster paced and more difficult. So sorry to break it, this is not a very good analysis of the game. I'm a little bit confused what is happening here. 69,000, I mean that must be game over, that must be a final score, isn't it? What happens, but I'm gonna leave it there. I'm just gonna push fire now to see what's happening with the score. I start from 25,000, so it must be a checkpoint. Okay, now I got the clarity of it actually. But I'm gonna pause the game here, I think, if it's possible. There we go. So I'm gonna leave it there. So it's I have not get the hang of all the rules of the game actually, but I'm really enjoying it. I think it's a cool concept. It's a game everyone can pick up and have a good time with. It's not very difficult. Seems to be pretty achievable. So I'm liking it. I'm liking it very good. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 for this one, and I encourage everyone to take a look at it. So there you go. Thank you for watching, everyone. Like always, have a good one. Goodbye.